The rise of AI and automation has ushered in a new era of transportation logistics for virtually every industry. Autonomous vehicles are now being adopted and deployed in our warehouses, streets, ports, and even our skies to improve the efficiency of supply chains across the globe. However, there are still serious technical challenges in realizing the full autonomy of these vehicles to ensure that safety, reliability, and efficiency is met at scale. MemComputing is helping companies unlock the full potential of autonomous vehicles by solving a complex scheduling problem that's inherent to all of them. When operating together in a real-world environment, today's autonomous vehicles cannot be coordinated in an optimal fashion, leaving room for catastrophe and unavoidable operational costs. Consider global e-commerce giants and retailers who utilize hundreds to thousands of automated warehouse robots to fulfill customer orders and drive productivity beyond human capability. MemComputing has developed solutions that ensures these robots travel efficiently throughout the facility while also satisfying various operational constraints to avoid conflicts. Because these robots operate in facilities as large as multiple city blocks, creating an optimal schedule that effectively and safely coordinates the routes of these robots becomes intractable for even the most sophisticated computing systems and algorithms. Using the virtual MemComputing machine, companies can now overcome the limitations of classical techniques to optimize the schedules and routes of their autonomous fleets at scale in near real time. The resulting solution drives new levels of operational capacity, flexibility, and productivity for our clients in trucking, shipping, and aerospace, who now obtain strategic competitive advantages through greater operational efficiencies and cost savings. Visit www.memcpu.com to learn more and get started on your optimization journey today.